Hey, my name is Mikael. I am the headset lead from NeurotechUofT, and today I'm going to be showcasing the headset I have created so far. And for that, Cyan is going to be my subject. So, say hi, Cyan.
Hey.
So, yeah, this is the headset we have so far. It looks like it has a lot of cables, but it's not very heavy, and we have different electrodes here. So we have C3 and C4. This like for motor functionality. Am I right, Ryan?
Yeah. Yes, for getting like the motor functions. And we're going to be using this a lot for mind type. So thanks so much, Mikhail.
Anyways, so we also have like a bunch of them. So if you look closer, like inside here, like this is how the electrode looks like. Oop. Yeah, and then this goes here. And then we got a bunch of them, and then we also have a board that has the same configuration as the T20?
1020.
1020, yeah. So yeah, we can just like connect these to the OpenBCI so that we can read the signals. Yeah, this is how it looks so far. How do you feel, Cyan?
It's actually really light compared to the OpenBCI. Like, I can still feel the electrodes like on my head, which is good. But like, other than that, like it doesn't really feel like I'm wearing anything, which is really nice. And the fact that we have the 1020 system means that we can just plug in whatever wires we want into the board on the headset, and then we just plug the other end of the wire into the OpenBCI, and we know exactly which electrode we're going to be using, which is awesome.
Great.
So yeah, and yes, so this is
final view.
Yeah.
Yep. Thanks for your time, guys.
All right.